If you are planning to buy a car, this video is a must watch for you because watching this video could save you lakhs of rupees in the future. So whenever you buy a new car showrooms won't deliver your car without insurance. And if you are buying second-hand car, you must get the insurance transferred to your name. If you drive without insurance, the police will fine you. Now, some people choose their car insurance smartly, whereas there are other people who make mistakes. For example, if you choose your car insurance wisely and face an accident that costs 1 lakh rupees in repairs, so around 96,000 will be covered by your insurance claim and you will only have to pay 4,000 rupees out of your pocket. But if you are not careful and pick the wrong insurance, that 1 lakh rupee repair cost might cost you like 30,000 for your cover insurance and the remaining 70,000 will be paid by you, even though you have the insurance. That's why it is very crucial to know how to select the right insurance policy. In this video, I'll show you practical tips and 4 common mistakes most people make. If you avoid these mistakes, your insurance company will cover almost all the expenses, saving you from spending a big amount. So to understand these 4 mistakes, watch this video till the end, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do it. Hello friends, my name is Mansi and you have started watching Bosswala English. The first mistake, most people just buy the base plan, skipping add-ons. That's a huge error. Think of the base plan as a simple pizza base. When you add toppings, the pizza tastes better, right? So likewise with the base insurance, adding the right add-ons can save you a lot of money in the future. I personally added these 4 important add-ons to my car insurance. First is engine protection. So this can save you lakhs in flood or water damage. Then comes zero depreciation add-on. Every year your car's value reduces. But with this, the full repair cost is covered regardless of the depreciation value. Then comes return on invoice add-on. So if your car faces total damage or theft, the insurance company pays you the full invoice value, what you paid when you bought the car. Next we have key protection add-on. Lose your key and the cover includes replacing keys and locks, saving you 1,000 rupees. Let me explain each one with examples. Engine protection. So suppose your car is parked and there is a heavy rainfall, flooding and everything, which ruins your engine. So the mechanic says that you need to spend 2 lakh rupees on the repair. You are confident your insurance will cover it. But without the engine protection add-on, the insurance company won't pay. With this add-on, just an extra 1,000 rupees annually, the insurance company covers all such expenses. Then comes zero depreciation. Let's say 5 years ago you bought a car for 10 lakh rupees. Now there's an accident and the door needs replacement, costing you around 50,000 rupees. Without zero depreciation, the insurance only pays 20,000, which is the current value of the door. You pay 30,000 yourself. But with the add-on, you get the entire cost after a small deductions. Then comes return to invoice. Now let's suppose your 20 lakh car gets completely damaged or stolen. The current insured declared value is 10 lakh rupees. So you will get 10 lakhs only if you don't have this add-on. But with this add-on, you get the full 20 lakh invoice price regardless of the depreciation. Key protection. If all your keys are lost, replacing them can cost you around like 25,000. With the key add-on, you just need to pay 250 rupees per year and you are fully covered. Then comes consumable add-ons. So items like engine oil, brake oil, coolant, etc. aren't covered in general insurance. With the consumable add-ons, even these costs are paid by the insurance company. Next we have roadside assistance add-on. So if your car breaks down, this add-on ensures free towing and emergency help. I suggest you that taking at least these 4 add-ons can save you money in emergency situations. Now there is a car showroom myth. So many people believe you must buy insurance only from the showroom you're getting the delivery. That's not true. As per IRDAI, you can buy insurance from any company as long as it's valid. So showrooms may push their partner companies for commission, making insurance costly. So there is a tip for that. So you should compare plans online, especially on the sites like Policy Bazaar. The same policy often comes much cheaper outside the showroom. You should check the claim settlement ratio when picking a company. Good companies have ratios above 95%. Also check for cashless garages so you don't pay large amounts and get easy claims. We know that car insurance is important, but what's more important is a good term insurance and health insurance. What if something happens to you? So what will happen to your family in your absence? Their medical emergencies, their financial future is at stake. So in this, Policy Bazaar is helping you. With their term insurance plan, you can get a coverage up to 2 crores rupees, where the premium starts from just 699 per month. Up to 15% discount is there, and it is the most trusted insurance partners. They also offer health insurance, where premium starts from just 400 to 500 rupees per month and getting a coverage up to 1 crore rupees. They also give a 30-minute claim support. So do not ever take any chances with your family's financial future. And to know more about the term insurance and health insurance plans, do check out the link in the description. Let's move on to the video now. Now comes used car insurance. So don't buy third-party insurance to save money. It won't cover damages to your own car. Go for comprehensive plans. Pay a little extra, but you will be safe in case of theft, accident or disaster. Now, no claim bonus mistakes. Don't claim insurance for small repairs like 2000 rupees. If you skip small claims, you get a no claim bonus, which gives you up to 20% discount on next year's premium. Claiming small amounts means losing bigger savings. So if this information helped you, please comment below and share this video with all of your friends who are planning to buy a new car. Until then, I Mansi will see you in the next video.
Bosswala. Be the boss.